Even that, no can't go on. Look at that, my peeps. You my peeps, we are going to get the yam together. I have to scrape it, you know. I need a roast and scrape. It's another breakfast and a roast and fry. I need a roast and scrape. So I get it scraped off. So whenever you roast yam and you done roast it and you scrape it, this is how it's going to look like. You hear your son? Very nice. Yeah, man. So after I done scrape the yam the very proper way, I'm going to put on the fish. You know, some roasting to that. Yeah, man. Roast and scrape, you know? Been roasting for so long. The fish now up on the grill. We'll already clean up and everything. Drop on the fish on the grill. And then go and far out. Alright, have a look. Yeah, my paper, everything look lovely. The yam looking so lovely. Yeah, man. Yeah, my peeps. So, as soon as them are ready, I'm gonna drop in the rest, man. So, let me go and stay. Pressure. Wicked in the youth. That's why the gravy pan here. Oh God. So wicked, my youth. Oh my God. Yeah, my people. We checking back again. We see what I'm going for the conch and the tilapia. So, the yam are going to do the thing. Right now, you see a styler? First in our seed. See I wanna recall the Vietnam language. Countryman style. Vietnam language. The only way you see them a styler, unless they come country. You can't see them a styler nowhere else. Check it out, cuz.